Ang ating topic for today ay VTS reporting. Activity: you are transiting a straight and passing a VTS reporting point. Write down the phrases that you will use to communicate the required information to the VTS. Use the IMO Standard Marine Communication Phrases o SMCP. Ang mga sumusunod ay ang example procedure ng pagtawag sa VTS when passing a reporting line. OOW. Pedro VTS. Pedro VTS. This is Motor Vessel de la Cruz. Call sign Alpha Bravo Charlie Delta 1 over. VTS. This is Pedro VTS. Go ahead. OOW. Good morning. This is Motor Vessel de la Cruz. I am passing reporting line, joining TSS outbound over. VTS. What is your last and next port of call? OOW. Last port of call is Wanghua, China and next port of call is Newcastle, Australia over. VTS. Okay. Your last port of call is Wanghua, China. And next port of call is Newcastle, Australia. Is that correct? OOW. Yes, that's correct over. VTS. Please be advised to navigate with caution and stand by 1016 over. OOW. Roger that. Stand by 1016. Out.